guys, uh, today I am gonna unbox a LED fidget spinner. Now, you're seeing this fidget spinner here, class, work and home. And now, here's LED, you're gonna see. This is LED. Now, wait guys, just unboxing. Or, wait please. Hi guys, I'm here. Now we are unboxing our fidget spinner. Now, this is my fidget spinner. Here, look at this. Look at this, guys. Wait. Look at this. Awesome. But first of all, is with lights. LED. Now you're seeing you can use just one. Okay. Now look at this. Now you're seeing you're gonna change lights mode with touching, but careful, cause lights can go away, just like this. Now you can touch this, and you see this barcode. I think you can see. You see this fidget here. That is barcode of the LED, and you can use two LEDs. It's so nice, cause it's LED, man. It's so nice. You want to save this package and this because you want to stay this safe. This fidget spinner. This is the best of fidget spinner, I think. It's white, gold colors of this. And what I want to say, you can get these with other colors, with lights, of course. You can get with gold lights and gold fidget spinner, and this is my fidget spinner. But you be careful, because the lights you just see there can go, and you're ever not gonna find it. So guys, this is video for today, and goodbye. See you next time. Subscribe, share, like, leave a comment down below, and yeah, leave a like. Goodbye guys.